Hello, it's George Kaiho of Jettison in Dallas, Texas. I'm going to make my version of Old Fashioned. It's called the Earl'd Fashioned because I use the Earl Grey smoked maple syrup as a sweetener. All right, let's get started. So in a rocks glass, put 1 large ice cube, and then you're gonna put your bitters, sweetener, and then alcohol. Bitters will be Angostura Bitters and Regan's Orange Bitter number 6. I'm gonna put about 2 dashes of each. Bam, bam. And then for the sweetener, I'll take a 1 bar spoon full of maple syrup. This maple syrup is smoked with Earl Grey tea, so it has a little toasty smoke character to it. And then now I'm gonna put the main ingredients. This is a bourbon from Buffalo Trace Distillery. It's Eagle Rare 10 years. I'm gonna put 2 ounces of this, and as you saw me do it, I just build in a glass because the maple syrup is very easy to dissolve. I'm going to stir it in the glass until everything gets mixed and the cocktail gets cold. Alright, looking good. Alright, I think it's done. And I'm going to garnish with orange peel and cherry. Orange peel, just get a vegetable peeler, get a 1 whole length of orange peel, and then you put the oil onto the cocktail, rim it, and then I'm gonna cut the edges to make it look nice. Pretty simple. All right, and then the cherries. The cherries are in syrups, and you don't want to make the cocktail that you just made sweet, so make sure you rinse the syrup off. All right, it's been rinsed. Combine the garnish, and done. So this is Jettison's version of Old Fashioned called the Earl'd Fashioned. Please enjoy. I know I will. It's good. Oh, it's good. Damn.